my auntie story. Hare, your uncle is the waste, your uncle is the worst. Your uncle, because of your uncle only, we have these many struggles, and so on. 2 hours. She told the same story. Then I told, Chinama, I know Baba is the very worst. But he had some good things are there, right? Can you please tell at least one good thing? Then she keep on telling, Hare, he is going to take very much care about the kids. Even I won't care that much. He is taking very much care about the kids. Wonderful. Wonderful. Next, even if I'm coming like this for tour or travel, then the total hostel is going to run, take care until coming back. Your uncle only. She's telling dot. Then at last she used, Hare, your uncle is good. Not that much worst. See positives. Don't see negatives. Everyone having the negatives. See the positives, appreciate them. Automatically, they are going to give more and more. They are going to do more and more such a type of activities. So this wonderful point, man. I never criticize anyone. I'm eager to praise and are reluctant to find fault. This is the statement used by who is the person? Charles. Charles. How much was the package? People management. How much was package? $3,000 per day. Per day. $1 million per year. This in which year this was happened?
100 years back.
1921. 1921. 105 years before this was happened. That person lifestyle, that person policy, why he got that much opportunity is this is the reason. So promise yourself, I never going to criticize anyone in any situation. I'm always trying to find positives only in the people. I never going to find the mistakes. I never going to worry about their mistakes. That's not my job. That is their things. Why I have to worry about that? I'm not perfect in 100%. Then why I have the right to find faults in other people's? So great leaders build confidence. Enthusiasm grows through appreciation. Enthusiasm grows through appreciation. Praise creates motivation. Criticism destroys ambition. Okay, leadership is not about bringing out. Leadership is about bringing out the best in others. Okay, I want to bring the best in you. Then only I will become leader. But to bring the best in you, the only one mantra, appreciation. See the positives, appreciation. But a wonderful lessons, life-changing lessons. You people should require to remember.